Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. The first one is to use an application and the second one use gestures on your earbuds. Let's get started by use the application. To do this you need to open Show Me Earbuds and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. And right here we have Ambient sound control, so you need to just tap at the transparency, but it depends. Sometimes you can tap on it if your earbuds are outside from your ears, but as you can see right now I'm trying to enable it and we need to put it to the ears. So let me put it to my ears, and now you just tap at the transparency and we enable it. To disable it you need to select another mode, so you can select ANC and tap on it, or a normal mode by tap at the off, and we have it. Also, we can use the gestures, and by default you need to press and hold at the touch areas on your left or right earbuds. Touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, and right here at the top we have it. And let me press and hold. Firstly, I will enable ANC, and then you need to press and hold again and you will enable transparency mode. And by default you cannot return to the normal mode, so then if you press and hold again you will swap to ANC. But you can set it in the gesture settings and then you can return to the normal mode with a gesture. So you need to go to the gestures and right here select the left or right earbud or both of it, just tap on it, and you need to click at the off, because by default you have this one, and you just tap on it and now we can swap to the normal mode. It's the same you need to do with the right earbud. If you use it at the both of the earbuds, just tap on it. And now we can disable this transparency mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.